Hi ladies and gentlemen, in this tutorial we'll be learning how to create 3D pop-up effect in Adobe Photoshop. We are going to create a 3D pop effect like this, and I'll be showing you how I did this in Adobe Photoshop. So first of all, we start by importing our first picture, which is the phone, and we name it the down layer phone, we name the down layer phone, and we name the down layer phone, and we place embedded. We come to file and place embedded. So we choose our second picture, so when you bring the second picture, reduce the opacity from 100 to maybe 57 so that we can see the phone and also see the picture. So what we do is size the image, ensure we push the image to it. So we are pushing the image, we are setting up the image to the phone. So I think this is okay. So what we do is bring back the opacity to 100. Hit OK. Now right click and convert to smart object. Convert to smart object. Now hold on Ctrl plus J on the keyboard to duplicate the picture. Now uncheck the two pictures and select the phone. Come to the quick selection here and choose Mark 1 2. Now select the screen of the phone. Select the screen of the phone. Now what we'll do is bring back the second layer and choose the second layer and create a mask on it this way. Alright, so now bring back the next layer. This time we are going to select the subject. We are going to select the subject, which is the subject like this. Select the phone. We select the phone. So we select the ribbon like this. Create a mask on it. So I create a mask this way. So now you can see some of the legs are outside. So what we'll do is make sure the background, your foreground is black, your background is white. So now you paint the phone like so this is a simple way to create a pop-up effect in Adobe Photoshop. Thanks for watching. Remember to hit the subscription button and also push the share button and